So good morning, everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the article and blog. If I talk about the blogs, why we use article and blogs? So through article and blogs, we can express our feeling regarding some topics. That is article and blog. So blog are based on casual writing and it is not based on interview or research, while articles written in mostly formal way and it is based on sophisticated writing. Then what is the basic difference between article and blog? Blog, mostly users express their own opinion regarding some topic, but in article uh, person's opinion are not allowed. It will be writing on the some facts or on the some research. In blog post, no interview and no research are done, but in article there will be research and interviews are done. In blog should be short, maybe in 100 words or maybe in 250 words, but article should be minimum 500 in 500 words. Another one, the blog is writing according to SEO. It means we can insert keywords in our blog, but not in article. Article doesn't allow keywords. Then in blog, good spelling or grammar is optional, but in article, spelling and grammar is important. As I said before, that blog writing is a casual writing, but article is a sophisticated writing. In blog, no editors is involved. You can publish by yourself, but in article, editors firstly visit your article. If they think that it should be published, then they publish in their website. If WordPress, Blogger, these are some example of blog for blog publishing, and for article, Scoop It, or these are some example for publishing article. And if we can see, this is the example of blog and article. You can see there here are lots of article and blogs are published. This one is the example of article. Why? Because in this you can see that this is everything about this data science, but in this we are not stuffing any keywords regarding our website, but in blog we stuff keywords according to the need. We can see here the example of blog. This one is the example of blog where we can easily stuff keywords according to the our website or according to the any product. So you can publish your blog in this manner where you can stuff keywords according to your requirement, but in article there will be no keyword stuffing. So thank you everyone.